Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
The purpose of learning backwards parallel padding is to prepare for our improving backwards skating skills, being better able to maintain flow and momentum as we go along. So our focus will be, first of all, to build your momentum with your choice of backwards lemons or ordinary backwards padding with turned in toes, as in stage 2 of this beginner course.
Once we've built our momentum, parallel feet and gently up and down, trying to hold those feet as parallel as possible. Again, the same principle here of retracting the landing gear. So we're lifting up the leg by bending and retracting that leg up underneath us and making sure that the foot is flexing so it's ready to meet the floor again and glide well for us. Okay, so every time we're lifting, retracting the leg up with a little bend, flexing the foot to keep the blade as parallel to the ground as possible, so that each time it meets the ground again, it's ready to glide. And that's going to look like flex and flex and flex.
Always start with an organised upper body, arms reaching out side to side. Keep your knees bent at all times from starting to build your speed and throughout your padding movements. Parallel padding movements are weight transfers, not pushes, so our speed will gradually reduce. When that happens, simply switch back to a few lemons to keep going. And finally, the flex of our raised foot is an important part of this skill to allow the blade to return to the ice, ready to run and glide. So, pull those toes up.